Welcome to Best Sellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products that people can't stop talking about. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. A countdown of the best-selling car video products on Amazon. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill gadgets, they're the game-changers, the must-haves, the products that are redefining the way we experience the road. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a safety-conscious driver, or just someone looking to upgrade your ride, this countdown is packed with innovation, quality, and features that will blow you away. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the creme de la creme of car video technology. Without further ado, let's get started. In the world of automotive tech, where safety meets cutting-edge innovation, we present to you the WOLFBOX G840S 12 inches 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This isn't just a camera, it's a revolution in how you experience the road. Let's start with its mind-blowing 4K UHD resolution. Upgraded to a stunning 2160p, your front view captures will be nothing short of cinematic, while the rear camera delivers crisp 1080p clarity. Imagine the confidence of knowing every detail, every license plate, every unexpected moment is being recorded in unparalleled quality. But that's not all. Size matters, and the WOLFBOX delivers with a 12-inch ultra-wide screen. It's 1.5 times larger than your ordinary rear-view mirror, obliterating blind spots and offering a panoramic view that brings safety into sharp focus. With a split-screen function, you can simultaneously monitor both front and rear cameras, ensuring you never miss a thing. Now let's talk night vision. Where most cameras struggle, the WOLFBOX shines. Thanks to its enhanced night vision capabilities, featuring a Starvis sensor, WDR, and HDR technology, your nighttime drives are transformed into well-lit highways of visibility. Whether it's dusk, dawn, or pitch black, you'll always have the perfect view. Navigation? Covered. The integrated GPS tracking isn't just about knowing where you are, it's about replaying every journey with precise metrics. You're not just watching a video, you're reliving the drive, knowing exactly where and when each moment happened. Worried about your car when it's parked? The WOLFBOX doesn't sleep. Its 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse mode keeps a vigilant eye even when you're away, capturing every moment with efficiency and precision. And with the new USB-C power supply upgrade, it's designed to handle the heat, literally. No more sudden restarts or deformations, it's built to last. Finally, the WOLFBOX isn't just smart, it's brilliant. Features like streaming media rear view, adjustable display angles, G-sensor, and loop recording make it adaptable to every need and every scenario. The WOLFBOX G840S isn't just a mirror dash cam, it's your new co-pilot, offering unmatched clarity, security, and peace of mind every time you hit the road. Introducing the powerhouse of road safety, the ultimate guardian of your driving experience, the 3-channel dash cam. This isn't just another camera for your car, it's an all-seeing sentinel designed to protect, capture, and record every moment from every angle. Imagine driving with a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, a 150-degree cabin camera, and a 150-degree waterproof rear camera. This triple dash cam system is your shield against blind spots, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. With an IPS panel screen, the visuals are sharp and clear from any angle, providing you with unmatched clarity every time you check your footage. But this dash cam doesn't just see, it thinks. Equipped with a built-in G-sensor, it's ready for action when the unexpected happens. Whether it's a sudden jolt or a minor collision, the camera springs into emergency recording mode, locking those crucial moments so they're never lost. And when your car is parked, the 24-hour parking monitor stands guard, capturing any movement or impact. Let's talk memory. No more worrying about running out of space. The loop recording function ensures continuous coverage by automatically overwriting the oldest files when the storage is full. Plus, with the included 32 GB SD card, you're ready to start recording right out of the box. And when night falls, this dash cam truly shines. Thanks to its superior WDR technology and infrared LED lights, it captures clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Whether it's the glare of oncoming headlights or the dimmest back roads, every image is balanced and sharp. Installation? A breeze. This dash cam is designed for simplicity. Just plug, play, and mount it on your windshield. The user-friendly display and intuitive settings mean you can get started with ease, focusing on what truly matters, your safety on the road. The 3-channel dash cam isn't just a tool. It's your vigilant co-pilot, ensuring that every drive, every journey, and every moment is recorded in crystal clear detail. It's more than just a camera, it's peace of mind, 24/7. Introducing a marvel of automotive technology that sets the standard for dash cams everywhere, the ROVE R24K Dash Cam. If you're looking for the pinnacle of clarity, functionality, and reliability in car video recording, look no further. This isn't just a camera, it's a crystal clear lens into your driving world. With 4K Ultra HD recording, capturing video at an astonishing 2160p resolution, every detail becomes vivid, every moment razor sharp. You'll see more, know more, and have the kind of clarity that sets this dash cam apart from the rest. And when the sun dips below the horizon, the ROVE R24K shines even brighter. Thanks to its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, which combines a 6-glass lens f1, 5-aperture, and a Sony IMX 335 sensor, low light conditions are no longer an obstacle. Imagine seeing every nuance, every shadow as if it were broad daylight. But what about staying connected? The ROVE R24K makes it effortless with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Seamlessly connect to the ROVE app on your iOS or Android device to view, manage, and even download your recordings directly to your phone at lightning speeds, up to 6 MB per second. Sharing those breathtaking 4K videos with friends, family, or social media? It's never been easier. Let's take a look at its GPS capabilities. The built-in GPS does more than just track your location. It records your speed and driving route with pinpoint accuracy. Relive your journey, retrace your steps on Google Maps, and do it all from the convenience of your smartphone or through ROVE's dedicated GPS player. And with free firmware upgrades, your ROVE dash cam keeps getting better, evolving with new features and enhancements over time. Packed with state-of-the-art technology, the ROVE R24K is more than just a camera. It's a sophisticated piece of engineering. It features a robust supercapacitor for enhanced durability, industry-leading f1, 5-aperture for superior light intake, and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens that captures everything in front of you. Add in parking mode, motion detection, loop recording, and emergency video lock. And you've got a complete suite of features that ensures you're always protected, no matter the situation. And it's backed by a company that cares. Based in the heart of Chicago, ROVE offers customer support that's as reliable as its products, with a full 1-year warranty and a 30-day full refund guarantee. Peace of mind? It's just part of the package. The ROVE R24K Dash Cam isn't just about recording your drives. It's about enhancing your entire driving experience with precision, clarity, and cutting-edge technology. It's the ultimate co-pilot for every journey you take. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling car video products on Amazon? If so, don't put the brakes on now. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you're always in the driver's seat for more top-notch content. Introducing the DoHonest Baby Car Camera, your ultimate solution for peace of mind on the road. Perfectly designed for parents who want to keep an eye on their little ones without compromising safety or convenience. Setting up this baby car camera is a breeze. In just 3 minutes, you'll have it ready to go. Simply strap it to the headrest, run the cable to the monitor, and plug it in. Whether you're using the cigarette lighter or a USB power cord, the installation is so straightforward that even the busiest new parent can handle it with ease. Now, let's talk about what really sets this camera apart. Its automatic crystal night vision. Equipped with the latest infrared LED light and image enhancement technology, this camera seamlessly switches to night vision as the light fades. Imagine driving at night, no longer needing to glance back anxiously, because you know your baby is safe and sound, clearly visible. At number 1, we present the pinnacle of dash cam technology, the REDTIGER Dash Cam, an unparalleled blend of precision, clarity, and peace of mind. Imagine capturing every drive with stunning 4K Ultra HD detail. The REDTIGER Dash Cam doesn't just record your journey. It immortalizes it with dual recording capabilities, delivering crystal-clear 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear. Whether it's capturing the intricate details of road signs or the fine print on license plates, this dash cam leaves nothing to chance. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens up front and a 140-degree lens at the rear, blind spots become a thing of the past. You'll have the complete picture whether you're on a scenic route or in the midst of the unexpected. Driving at night? The REDTIGER Dash Cam excels where others fall short. Its superior night vision, powered by an f1. 5-aperture and 6-layer lens ensures that even in low light, every key detail is captured with clarity. HDR and WDR technology work in tandem to balance the light, so shadows and glares don't stand a chance. Control and convenience are at your fingertips with built-in Wi-Fi and smart app control. Simply connect the dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, and the REDTIGER app gives you instant access to your recordings. View, playback, and manage your videos with ease. Want to share that breathtaking sunset you captured on your drive? With just one click, you can send your best moments directly to friends and family. But it's not just about the video. The built-in GPS tracks your every move, recording your driving route, speed, and location. Whether it's for revisiting your favorite trips or providing crucial evidence in case of an incident, the GPS functionality is there to back you up. Access your data through the app or the GPS player on Windows and Mac, and you'll always have your journey mapped out. And when it comes to reliability, the REDTIGER Dash Cam doesn't compromise. Its loop recording feature ensures you never run out of space, automatically overwriting old footage with new. In the event of a sudden collision, the G sensor steps in, locking and saving the critical video so you never lose vital evidence. Even when parked, the 24-hour monitoring mode with its time-lapse feature keeps a watchful eye on your vehicle. What about after-sales support? REDTIGER stands by its product with an 18-month assurance and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Their customer service team is ready to assist you around the clock, ensuring that your experience is as seamless as the dash cam's performance. The REDTIGER Dash Cam isn't just a device. It's your trustworthy companion on every drive, delivering unmatched quality, reliability, and support. It's the ultimate choice for those who demand the best in road safety technology. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling car video products on Amazon. To keep up with all the top-rated items, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.